Laughing Loon presents sanding and fiberglassing for a beautiful boat.
Hi, I'm Rob Max, owner, designer, and builder at Laughing Loon Custom Canoes and Kayaks in Jefferson, Maine. Visit my website at laughingloon.com. This is a quick peek at my latest video called Glassing and Sanding. No, it's not. It's sanding and fiberglassing for a beautiful boat. This covers the area that most people are probably least familiar with, and that's fiberglassing your stripper canoe or kayak. This video goes into great detail on how to prepare your surface for fiberglassing and how to do the fiberglassing itself. How to put layers over other layers and keep it as transparent as possible. If you've seen my boats and you like the beauty of the fiberglass you see there, this video will detail how to do that for you.
Take the time to remove all the carpenter's glue so it doesn't gum up your sandpaper. I use 60 grit sandpaper on my random orbital sander. I wet the wood thoroughly with a soaking sponge to raise the grain. Sand with 120. Apply a seal coat. Wet out the fiberglass cloth. Glass the hull interior. Apply seam tape to the interior to glass the hull and deck joint. Glass the exterior hull deck joint. Apply veneers and reinforce the stem joints. Rough sand surfaces and feather all raw fiberglass edges. Apply 2 final fill coats. Finish sand in preparation for varnish.
Alright, now that's just a preview. There's a lot more. A lot of steps were skipped. If you want to really learn how to fiberglass, if you want to take that beautiful wood in your stripper canoe or kayak and really show it off, this is the video for you. Sanding and fiberglassing for a beautiful boat. Go to my website, laughingloon.com, and you'll find this video for sale there, along with a number of other videos on wood strip along with other videos on wood strip construction, stripper construction, building some boats.
For more information on my strip building techniques, see my shop tips pages at laughingloon.com.